Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can block and unblock users on Telegram. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Telegram. Now in order to block any user, just simply go to their chat and then tap on their username. Now tap on these three vertical dots in the top right and you'll see an option called block user. Just tap on that and again tap on block user, and the user will be blocked. Now in order to unblock the contact, you have to move back to the chat section and then tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left and go to settings. In settings, you're gonna go to privacy and security, and here you will find blocked users. And from here, you can easily unblock the user that you have blocked. And that's how you can block and unblock users on Telegram. So all for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching.